Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about these Bluedio headphones. These are the Turbine model and they are fantastic. I originally purchased a previous model of these to go traveling with because they are fantastic. My husband had them previously and I had to get a pair of my own. They have fantastic sound blocking qualities. On the old one and on the new one, they come not only with that, but also a whole bunch of additional features. They actually have an FM scan in there. You can insert a micro SD as well and have music stored in your headphones, which I think is fantastic. And then you can also load it from the PC and that onto the micro SD too. So with the fit, it's super comfortable. You just pop it on. And it holds really nicely. The pressure on your head is really minimal because it has a really nice padded top on it as well. So I love it. The fit is fantastic. The quality is of ones I've used that are hundreds of dollars more expensive than these. So I absolutely love them. It comes with everything you need. So you have your audio ins and outs, the USB to charge, and then the user manual as well. That explains how to use the FM scan and micro SD and all that stuff too. But all in all, super stylish, super comfortable. I absolutely love them. I know you will too, but that's just my point of view.